Hello guys, here we go again making a food. This is our version kimchi nage. We have tomato, onion, sausages, tuna flakes in olive oil, then white cabbage, carrots, oyster mushroom, and this is the kimchi sauce. Okay, this is all my ingredients, guys. I added the rice. Yeah. Then boiling, then we add the carrots because it's hard. This is a miso paste and this is a chili paste. Okay, so I will add to the kimchi nabe, this one. I add 1 tablespoon each. I add 1 tablespoon of sesame oil. Because it's flavor. Then leave cover. We have slices for also this one can add also to this here. Just a few minutes and cook already. So we're gonna try. Hmm. Wow, it's spicy, yummy. Sarap. Got the sausages, got the sliced pork, the vegetable. Let's taste the pork. Wow, sarap. Okay, guys. Uh, this is the kimchi nabe. Looks like already, guys. The our version. And hope you like this video, and please hit the like buttons below and comment down below, and just write down the ingredients description box below if you wish to make. And okay, see you next time. This is Angie. Bye. Thank you for your support, guys.